We chose Hainan because the long and well-regarded relationship we've had with the provincial government. The government's very open to new ideas. The innovation we see, and the exemplar of that is the free trade port, is, in our belief, a step forward for us. So we look forward to this MOU and this partnership to think through how can we make sure that the inventions we create get into the patients that need them. And so this is a great place to start that, and we look forward to some real outcomes in the near future.
那么他们也看到了我们自贸港离岛免税政策公布之后，包括对未来海南会成为我们全球免税购物中心这么一个地位，他们希望从现在开始就是在海南开展布局。I think that Hainan Free Trade Port is not belong to China but belong to the world. So it is a very good signal that it means that China's door will open wider and wider.